I'm going to be cleaning one of my reloading scales. This time I'm going to use some WD-40. And what I want to make sure is this bar here is clean. The top grooves here, these little grooves, I want to make sure that those are clean. I don't want any extra dust or anything to get on the side that would like this right here. You can see that affects the weight. See that? And that could be 1/10 of a grain, so it throws your weight off. I want to make sure that this is clean. And then once that's clean, I'm going to make sure that the inside of these where this, see that little pointed piece right there, we'll make sure that that's clean where it would float freely on the inside. So let's get to cleaning. First I'm gonna get let's take a little time, but it works, especially when you want to make sure that your loads are basically the same load. This is why I do that. Can you see the dirt on that? Like that. You can see the dirt on that. So you get off in here and make sure you don't have any extra weight on your beam. If y'all can see that, I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see what I'm doing. Put the WD-40 on it to clean them and dry it just a little. On here, that right there needs to be cleaned also. So to clean that, do the same thing. Give me a little WD-40 and right here, I'm just gonna rub that. On both sides. Just want to clean that on both sides. Now that's clean. Then on here, on the inside of that, that's where that little triangle piece sits on the inside of these. So I just want to make sure that that's kind of clean too. You don't want to spray anything on the inside of that because it gives you a little resistance. You want that to be as free as possible. I use that WD-40 to kind of clean it and give it a little lubricant. Now, the inside pieces are clean. The bar that goes on the inside pieces, like that, is clean. The grooves on that bar, I got that clean. And now, with all the excess WD-40 on here, I just wipe it down. Bring it out some. And, okay, I got everything clean. Put it on there. Keep just as long as that baby rock free. So I'm gonna do the same with this one back here. And we should be good to go. Thanks for watching.